Good morning. This is the cup. You have one just like it. This is how you take it apart and put it back together. So unwind it here. Spill that. The straw pulls out, but it's hard. And then the nozzle, you have to pull up and out of this slot. So, and out of that cradle. So up and out. And then you have to kind of wiggle it through the really small hole inside here. So I'm gonna pull it out from here, from the back, and then you put the square mouthpiece through the round hole underneath. And give it a pull and it comes apart like that. And then to put it back in, you just do the inverse. You put it through the, push it through the round hole at the bottom. Give it a good push. And thread it through to come up. Turn it so that you can pull it up and over and put it into the cradle with a tube going through that slot. And then you just set it here. And then oh, I did it backwards, see? Then the nozzle won't be here, so I actually did it wrong. I'm gonna turn it around. Turned it around so that the bottom is aligned. And then I put these in and pull it up and over into the cradle. And I take the straw with the pointy side down and put it all the way in, all the way to the very, very top of that. Otherwise it doesn't fit in the cup. And then when you put it back in, what we've noticed is that if you don't tighten it, like don't over tighten it, otherwise there's not enough airflow. And that's the cup. Good luck.